Today we'll show you how to install a frame using D-ring hardware.
Start by gathering your tools: screws, a drill, a laser level or regular level, measuring tape, and painter's tape. Laser levels work best for accuracy. Choose the location where you want the frame and mark a center line on the wall. Determine the height where you want the bottom of the frame. In this example, we want the bottom to sit 35 inches from the floor. Next, measure from the bottom of the frame to the center of the D-ring on the back. Make sure to measure both sides for accuracy. In this example, the measurement is 20 1/4 inches. Add those two numbers together. 35 inches plus 20 1/4 inches gives you the height where your screws will go. Now measure the distance between the two D-rings from center to center. The D-ring center is the point where the two metal pieces meet. In this example, the rings are 21 inches apart, so measure 10.5 inches to the left and right from your center line. Install the screws at those two marks. Lift the frame and place each D-ring onto the screws. Adjust slightly if needed, and your frame is securely mounted.